Dehumidifiers can be confusing. Your need for a dehumidifier can vary greatly to the next person, and so can the model which you require. The experts at Dehumidifiers UK have all the information you need to purchase the correct dehumidifier for your needs. The most sought-after dehumidifier for the UK market is the Dessicant Dehumidifier. Dessicant dehumidifiers extract moisture in temperatures from 1 degree centigrade upwards, making them a better choice for colder climates. Dessicant dehumidifiers also tend to be cheaper, smaller, lighter and quieter than a typical compressor unit. Our best-selling Dessicant dehumidifier is the EcoAir DD128, which features an 8-litre extraction capacity, clean air protection and a 2-year warranty. Dessicant dehumidifiers also make great laundry dryers. The Premier EH1506 8-litre domestic Dessicant dehumidifier features laundry drying capability with ionizer technology. If you would like any further information on Dessicant dehumidifiers, then contact one of our dedicated members of staff today who will be happy to help.